Hello. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English.
Hi, everyone. We're very happy you're here today.
My name is Lucas.
And I'm Sarah. On this channel, we help you improve your English through real, natural conversations.
We talk about everyday topics using simple and clear English.
So you can listen, understand, and practice speaking with confidence.
Today's topic is very interesting and very important.
Yes, today we're talking about culture and traditions.
Culture is about how people live, think, and behave.
And traditions are special customs or habits that people follow, often for many years.
Before we start, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English.
Your support helps us continue making these long conversation videos.
All right, Sarah, are you ready?
Yes, let's begin.
Sarah, let's start with a simple question. What does culture mean to you?
To me, culture means the way people live their daily lives.
Can you give an example?
Sure, culture includes food, language, clothing, music, and social habits.
That's a good explanation.
Culture also includes how people greet each other.
Yes, like shaking hands, hugging, or bowing.
Exactly. These things can be very different from country to country.
Culture also affects how people think about time, family, and work.
That's true. Some cultures are very relaxed about time.
While others are very strict about being on time.
Now, let's talk about traditions.
Traditions are things people do again and again, usually every year.
They are often connected to history, religion, or family.
For example, celebrating holidays in a special way.
Yes, or eating special food on certain days.
Many traditions are passed down from parents to children.
That's why traditions help people feel connected to their past.
They give people a sense of identity.
Let's talk about family traditions first.
Family traditions are very special.
Yes, they create strong memories.
Do you have any family traditions?
Yes, we do. Every Sunday, my family eats dinner together.
That's a nice tradition.
We cook together, talk, and sometimes play games.
That sounds very warm and friendly.
What about your family?
In my family, we celebrate birthdays in a big way.
What do you mean by that?
We always have a big meal, a cake, and invite relatives.
That's lovely.
Even adults get birthday cakes.
Of course, birthdays are important at any age.
Food is a big part of culture.
Yes, food tells a lot about a country.
Different cultures eat different types of food.
Some cultures eat rice every day.
Others eat bread or pasta.
Food is also connected to traditions.
For example, special food during holidays.
Yes, during festivals, people often cook traditional dishes.
In many cultures, food brings people together.
Sharing a meal is a way to show love and respect.
Let's talk about holidays.
Holidays are very important cultural traditions.
They help people relax and celebrate together.
Some holidays are religious.
Others are national or cultural.
For example, New Year is celebrated all over the world.
But people celebrate it in different ways.
Some people watch fireworks.
Some people stay at home with family.
And some people make resolutions for the new year.
That's true.
Weddings and traditions.
Weddings are full of traditions.
Yes, wedding traditions are very interesting. They can be very different across cultures.
In some cultures, weddings last one day.
In others, they last several days.
Some people wear white clothes.
Others wear colorful traditional clothes.
Music and dancing are also important parts of weddings.
Weddings bring families together.
Greetings are another part of culture.
Yes, how people say hello is very important.
In some cultures, people shake hands.
In others, people hug or kiss on the cheek.
Some cultures prefer personal space.
Others are more comfortable standing close.
Understanding these differences is important.
It helps avoid misunderstandings.
Let's talk about clothing.
Clothing can show culture and tradition.
Some people wear traditional clothes on special days.
like festivals or weddings.
Traditional clothing often has special meanings.
Yes, colors and patterns can represent history or beliefs.
Even modern clothing styles are influenced by culture.
Language is a big part of culture.
Yes, language shapes how people think.
Some languages are very direct.
Others are more polite and indirect.
Learning a language also means learning the culture.
That's why learning English is more than grammar.
You also learn how people communicate.
Have you ever experienced culture shock?
Yes, I have.
What happened?
When I visited another country, everything felt different.
Like food, language, and habits?
Yes, even small things felt strange.
Culture shock is normal.
It happens when you experience a new culture.
With time, people usually adapt.
Respect is very important.
Yes, we should respect all cultures.
Even if they're different from ours.
We don't have to agree with everything.
But we should be polite and open-minded.
Learning about other cultures makes us better people.
Do you think traditions are changing?
Yes, many traditions are changing.
Because of technology and globalization.
Young people sometimes follow traditions differently.
But many traditions still continue.
They adapt to modern life.
That keeps them alive.
Let's explain some useful words.
Good idea.
Culture means the way of life of a group of people.
Tradition means a custom passed down over time.
Festival is a special celebration.
Custom is a traditional way of doing something.
Respect means showing care and understanding.
Let's practice some sentences.
Repeat at home.
My culture is important to me.
I enjoy learning about other cultures.
My family has many traditions.
Food is a big part of culture.
Now it's time for today's question.
Here it is.
Both of us. What is one tradition from your culture that you love? Write one simple sentence in the comments.
For example, I love family dinners during holidays.
We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
We talked about culture, traditions, food, family, and respect.
Learning about culture helps you understand people better.
And it also helps you improve your English.
Thank you for watching Let's Talk in English.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye and take care.